Hey guys, this is Jette from the FabLab Enschede. Today I'm gonna guide you through the basic heat press tutorial. Included is also a little tutorial on how to tie-dye your own shirt. Starting with the tie-dye, you need dyeing powder, which is available in almost any drugstore. For one t-shirt, 1/5 of a regular cup is filled with the powder and then filled up with water. To get the recognizable tie-dye effect, we swirled the shirt and tied it with 2 regular hair ties. You can obviously tie the shirt with even more ties to get an individual look. We advise you to dye your shirt in the sink to avoid an unnecessary mess. Make sure to dye all areas wanted before taking the ties off. While the shirt is drying, we can already begin with the heat press tutorial. For this, we need to prepare an Illustrator file. In our case, we chose to write our design. Open the writing tool and select any area in the file. Now you can write your statement and change the size and font by selecting everything. If you're happy with the font you chose, change back to the selecting tool on the left. Now select your text. With a right click on the mouse, you're able to create outlines of your design. After you created the outlines, you're still able to change the size of your design. While holding Shift, your design will change proportionally. Don't forget to mirror your design so it appears the right way around on your shirt. For this, do a right click on the rotating tool so the reflect tool appears. While holding Alt and clicking, the option to vertically reflect appears. Now the last adjustments will be made so the laser is able to see your design and cut the foil. Select the RGB colors for the stroke of your design and change them to red 255, green 0, blue 0. The filling of your design can now be deleted and the stroke size has to be changed to 0.01 millimeters. Your file is now ready to send to the laser by clicking Printing. You can now choose the color of your foil for your design. Please ensure you followed all the steps from the checklist. Stick the foil with the shiny side down onto a piece of wood. You can now cut out your design with the laser. If you haven't worked with the laser yet, please ask a FabLab employee for help. After the design is cut out, you can remove the unnecessary foil. After you turned on the heat press, you have to wait for about 10 minutes, so the heat press is on maximum heat. Now you can place your shirt and your design into the heat press and cover it with baking paper. Close the heat press and only open it after you heard the beep sound. You can finally remove the transparent foil of your design. Don't forget to turn off the machine after using it. Your unique design is now complete. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at the FabLab soon.